Welcome to my channel. Learn how to make this beautiful bling multi-chain silver necklace, a stylish statement piece you'll love wearing. This easy step-by-step PDF tutorial guides you through the entire process, whether you're a complete beginner or have some jewelry making experience. Create your own layered silver necklace with confidence and style, and add a touch of sparkle to any outfit. In this PDF, you will learn all the steps and techniques needed to create your own stunning multi-chain silver necklace. From choosing materials to layering chains and securing clasps, this guide makes it easy and fun to follow. Click below in the description for more details, including step-by-step instructions, material lists, and helpful tips to guide you through the process. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, you'll find everything you need to get started and create beautifully. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and jewelry inspiration, visit my website and explore all my creative designs.